Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a beautiful modern cake. I saw on TikTok that many people they take spring roll wrappers and they do these puffs, so I decided to use that technique and integrate it into a cake, and I recreated this beautiful cake. So if you guys want to see how I made this beautiful marble cake with the puff sprinkle roll wrapper technique, well, keep on watching. So this cake was a 6-inch cake, and I did numerous layers, and then I just stacked them together using buttercream, but you can use any filling that you want. And then I did my crumb coat and then my second coat. And for the color, because you guys keep asking me what is the color, and I keep forgetting, and I'm so sorry. So for this one, do not forget, what I did is basically really super easy. I took some buttercream and I added cocoa powder to it, and then you can add more or less and you will get either a darker brown or a lighter brown, and it actually tastes way better than just adding some edible gel or whatever food coloring or powder. So you get that cocoa taste to it. So yeah, so what I did is I just added a little bit of cocoa powder, and then once I had the shade that I wanted, which kind of gave me like a tan color, I just added a little bit more white buttercream, and then just got that lighter color. And then I just covered my cake with the darker at the bottom, and then at the top I did a lighter one, and then I just smudged everything. There's no right or wrong here. The more messy it is, the better it's gonna look, so don't worry about that. So yeah, so you just cover your cake, whatever shades, and you're gonna take your scraper and you're gonna go around and around and around, and at first it's just gonna look weird and you're like, what am I doing? But trust me, there's a process. So you just go around and you scrape, and then you're gonna see the colors are gonna come through. If you wanna add more light, you just add more light, and then if you wanna add more like a darker shade, then just go ahead and just add that, and then just continue scraping until you like the look, and then you got your look. So for the puffs, basically is super easy. I saw this on TikTok and they were showing how you can actually fry these, and I'm like, I've seen this. So it's really cool. And basically they just took a frying pan, and then they took spring roll wrappers, and the frying pan has to have a little bit of oil, and then you just wait until like the oil heats up, and then you just put your wrapper inside, and then you get these, they curl up, and then you get these cute little wrappers, puffs. So what I did, because I didn't want it to be too big, what I did is that I actually cut them to size, and then yeah, I just have, see? So you just have to be careful because they are gentle. Look, if you take one, they break easily, but they hold on very well with buttercream. They did not melt. They didn't it stays like really nice, and yeah, the shape stays. There's no problem whatsoever. What I like is that you can actually break them and then place them on however you want. You do not have any control of the shape though. Basically the oil does what it does, and then you get the shape that you get. So yeah, but you can get really cool shape. So yeah, so I decided to integrate that technique into a beautiful cake, and then you get that amazing effect. So there you go. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.